So we're at Sugbo Mercado and I'm gonna show you guys how to survive it. Pinako ba, di ta kagat of chairs anymore. So let's just get something that we can eat while standing up. Or we'll try that later. I really want to try that one. It's Kevin! It's Kevin! It's Kevin! It's Kevin! It's Kevin! Where's Sky? So yeah, it's hard to get tables and chairs here sometimes, so you might want to share a table with someone you don't know and maybe meet the man of your dreams if you haven't met him yet, or the girl of your dreams, or whatever it is you're into, the dog of your dreams, doesn't matter. Thank you. Yay, we have a table. So yeah, if you're lucky enough, then you can get a table, but most of the time we have to share, which is also a good thing because we get to meet new people. There's another trash can. Let's see, let's try to go count how many trash cans we can find in this place. Say hello.
Oh, here you are.
Say hi. Invite everyone to come. Yes.
Coming over to the garden block of Cebu IT Park. We're open Thursdays, Fridays, Saturdays, 5 p.m. to 1 in the morning. This is Sugbo Mercado, your weekend food market.
Yay! What time do people usually show up?
Thursdays, usually around 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock.
Fridays, Saturdays, usually as early as 6 o'clock, we get packed here.
So if you want to get a table or a chair, what's the best time to come?
Best time to come would be 6 p.m. If you're coming as a group, like I announced earlier, if you come in as a group, have somebody score a table for you guys while the rest get the food. If you're by your lonesome, just look for an empty spot, ask to share a table. That's what we do. We're a community, so...
So since I am a fashion blogger, whatever, maybe I should show you guys what I'm wearing and what I'm looking like, what I look like, but generally just wear whatever is comfortable and wear slippers or shoes, don't wear heels. So Nikomaki is our absolute favorite one. Hi!
Yes, try your Nikomaki.
We love this one. It's our favorite one here. This is what we got, spinach and cream cheese, or and cream. And it's only 65 pesos. Pork barrel. So here, guys, there's more than one cuisine here. So there's Filipino, there's Japanese, there's Korean. I know that there are a lot of people who live in Cebu and like to cook, and there are a lot of people who go to culinary schools. So yeah, there's a lot of lechon and lechon manok and burgers and pizzas. But this is the second Korean place that I saw, so I'll probably try that out some other time. But I generally don't like Korean food that much. And this one looks good.
Hi, Ma!
Hi! Unsa ni?
Banas!
Oh! Tagpila?
65 per two.
For two? Okay. Oh, look at that. 21 dubs. Another chicken wing place that we like. Mr. Burrito, I had it. I didn't like it that much. That's always fun. Fork your fingers. My uncle had this the last time we were here. Again, guys, drop by Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 5 or 6 until 1 in the morning. And I hope you like this video, and I'll see you soon. Bye! Hi everyone, it's me, Issa Thies.